Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and today I have a tutorial for you on making a swimsuit. It's pretty easy to make and as always you can find a pattern in the description below. So let's make a new swimsuit. For sewing we will need a special material for swimwear. It's called beeswax. We will also need a 5mm wide latex elastic band. This pattern includes two options of bottoms, so you can choose which one you will feel more comfortable in. After you have printed the pattern, check the size of a test square. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. Next, connect the sheets using transparent tape and cut out all the pattern pieces. The pattern already includes a seam allowances of 7mm. Cut out all the pattern pieces out of the fabric. For the swimsuit top, you should end up with 2 front pieces, 2 back pieces, and 2 strips of a fabric for the straps. For the bottoms, we have 2 front and 2 back pieces. Let's start with the bottoms. Align the front and back pieces right sides together and make a straight stitch along the bottom edge. On the bottoms that will be on the wrong side, we leave a hole. We will use the resulting opening to turn the bottoms inside out. Don't forget to secure the stitches with the back tacks. Next, take your 2 pieces, align them right sides together and pin. We connect the pieces on the overlocker and at the same time connect them with an elastic band. If you don't have an overlocker, use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine. Turn the bottoms right side out. Now pull the side seams through the opening and make a stitch using the overlocker. Trim off the corners. Now you can iron your bottoms. To finish things up, we close the opening by hand using a blind stitch. Now our bottoms are done and we are ready to move on to the top. Align the front and back pieces right sides together and stitch the side seams. Insert one piece into the other one and match up the side seams. To make the straps, fold a strip of fabric and an elastic band as I show here and make a stitch using the overlocker. Now we need to turn the straps inside out. I use a pin for this. Pin the straps to the top like I show here and make a straight stitch to secure them, so they don't move when we use the overlocker. Also, check the length of the straps to see if it fits you. You can make the necessary adjustments if it doesn't. Sew along the top edge. Trim off the corners at the strap seams. Now we need to close the bottom of the top. We turn our top inside out and make 2 zigzag back tacks 4 cm apart on the side seam. Then we open the side seam between the back tacks. Pull the side seams through the opening and pin them as I demonstrate here. Pin the hemline all the way around and stitch it with your overlocker. Once this is done, we can pull the top back out through the opening and iron it. And just like we did with the bottoms, we blind stitch the opening. And our swimsuit is done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. You can also write what tutorials you would like to see in the next videos. Bye!